What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. This tutorial will guide you through the process of obtaining the Trident Rod in the game Fisch. The Trident Rod is a valuable item that can enhance your gameplay experience, and by following the steps, it will help you acquire it efficiently. Start by launching Roblox and navigating to the Fisch game. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection for smooth gameplay. Familiarize yourself with the game mechanics if you are new. Collect necessary in-game items to increase your chances of obtaining the Trident Rod. Focus on fish. Catch various types of fish as they are essential for crafting. For materials, look for materials such as wood, which may be required for crafting the rod. Find a crafting station within the game. This is usually marked on your map. If you have trouble finding it, explore areas where players typically gather resources. Once at the crafting station, open the crafting menu. Ensure you have all the required materials in your inventory. Select the Trident Rod from the crafting options and follow the prompts to craft it. After successfully crafting the Trident Rod, access your inventory. Locate the Trident Rod and select the option to equip it. This will enhance your fishing capabilities in the game. Utilize the Trident Rod to catch rare fish that can provide additional benefits. Experiment with different fishing spots to maximize your rewards. By following the steps, you can successfully obtain and utilize the Trident Rod and Fisch. Remember to gather the necessary resources, craft the rod at the right station, and use it strategically to enhance your gameplay. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.